Hello everybody! Check it out, Kahoot, how to play with students that do not have their computer or their tablet or mobile phone, right? You can use this sheet that I leave you in the information of this video. It's a Kahoot sheet, so there are 4 columns. Each one is for one game of 20 questions, or you can use 2 columns if there are more questions. And the student, well, it's in Spanish, but it's very, very easy to understand. Here, you put the data. Here is the subject of the Kahoot. And when the first question appears, the student marks here his answer. If it's okay, he puts here a tick, and he counts 1 correct answer accumulated. Next question, he marks his answer. If it's wrong, he puts a cross when you are verifying the Kahoot, and still 1 correct answer accumulated. We keep on, and he continues marking his answers, checking out if they are correct or not, and counting the accumulated correct answers. Very easy to use. If you have students with mobile phones or tablets, you can use the common way of using Kahoot Start, and they will use the ping. If not, just click on Practice, and you do not need any student here. You just put here one name, whatever, teacher, okay, go, and that's all. You launch the questions, you verify the answers on the projector or on the big screen, and the students answer in these sheets that you can photocopy. First question, okay, I choose whatever, number 2. Okay, enjoy it, see you next time.